Evaluation table. Options and settings. Customize the table to suit your needs. Filling in the table. Enter scores and modify them as required. Ordering groups. Order by task or total score.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Evaluation Table app. Click on this icon to go to the settings. With the help of the arrows, browse the collection of group templates. Each column represents a task. Each row represents a group. Click on the OK button to apply changes. Click on the group's icon to customize it. With the help of the arrows, you can page through the collection of icons. Select an icon by clicking. If you wish, you can rename the group. Just click in the box and type in the new name. Click on the OK button to apply changes. Enter scores into the cells. Use the numeric keys to enter scores. With the help of the plus and minus signs, you can modify scores. Click on the header to order groups by the scores of a given task. You can also order groups by their total scores. Click on the home icon if you wish to clear all values from the table. Thanks for watching.